evening all. I hope you are all doing very well. Recently, I was speaking to one of my cousin on a very interesting topic of inferiority complex. It was during that time I decided that I should be able to talk about the inferiority complex and share a very noteworthy information with you all. Today, obviously, the topic is inferiority complex. I'm sure all of you would have encountered it. So what is it all about is a very stimulating and a thought-provoking subject to dwell around as well. At times, we all feel incompetent and at times we all question our own abilities. Although it is very distressing, it's normal to question and stack up and measure our own abilities compared to others. And this kind of momentary incompetency feeling is acceptable as well. For example, we feel that we have scored low compared to others, the co-worker's performance is much better than ours, or somebody else, a friend, is well situated in life than others. So these are all some of the instances we feel inferior and incompetent comparatively. Well, this kind of a feeling of inadequacy, insufficiency and insecurity bothers a lot. It is definitely painful. But most of us fathom it across emphasizing more on our strengths. We also pull up our hope, and our confidence gives a lot of strength to cope up with these particular situations. But let me tell you, my dear friends, this is not the case with all of us. There are a lot many people who actually take a setback, and there is a structure of the complexity that gets built across as an inferiority complex, and they are unable to cope up with it. As I said, inferiority complex is a feel of inadequacy. It spreads across in the terms of social, physical, intellectual and psychological attributes. For example, there are not many people who will feel that I'm not beautiful like others, I'm not intelligent, I think I don't have enough knowledge as others, I think I don't have skills to succeed, I feel very disturbing or uneasy amongst the people, I feel very strange talking to strangers, I think I don't have the adequate skill sets to thrive and accomplish in life. These are all the feelings of endurance that goes on if not addressed at the right age with enough self-awareness pumped to it. And this grows across as an inferiority complex as they grow older. Well, the reasons of these inferiority complex is interesting and also is pretty deep-rooted for that matter. Well, it starts showing up from the growth and also the environment the individual actually is being witnessed for and is exposed for, and it plays a very vital role in it. Parenting and their behavior also follows up to add a very significant role to it. Parents who are pretty insulting, humiliating, or somebody who's very suppressive or being violent cause a great damage. Well, with their behavior wherein they have a constant criticism that also adds up to the flavor. Along with it, if there are critical comparisons, that adds to the damage too. As all these reasons stack up, the individual grows that ability and the kind of a trait wherein the inferiority complex and the trait itself gets nurtured as they grow older and shows up with the various different signs and symptoms, and that is a kind of a major setbacks. The self-doubt occupies the place of self-worth and the self-esteem, and obviously the self-confidence goes down drastically in life. What are the kind of the signs and symptoms of the inferiority complex is also a very interesting aspect, and we would want to bring it to you, share with you the signs and symptoms of the inferiority complex. Please stay tuned in. We would get back to you with a bunch of information around it and also a lot more very interesting aspects and the information about inferiority complex in our next video. And this topic of inferiority complex is one of the major topics that we deal as a part of the conscious and the subconscious mind, and also how does it completely transmit to the behavioral traits is also a very interesting snippet of life skills at ChrisAirs. So for more information, you already know, please log on to chrisairs.in and we will be happy to give you the information. Stay tuned in for the more information on the inferiority complex. We will get back to you next week. Thank you so much for listening, and you take care of everything at your end. Thank you so very much.